Clinical examination of the cardiovascular system. Heart murmurs. A murmur is essentially the same thing as a bruise, and it's due to turbulent blood flow. Murmurs arise when a valve is thickened and fails to open properly. That's stenosis, or when it fails to shut properly and leaks. That's incompetence or regurgitation. Murmur also occurs when an abnormally large amount of blood flows past a normal valve. Murmurs can occur in systole or diastole, and identifying which parts of the cardiac cycle the murmur occurs is an essential prelude to determining the cause of the murmur. Listen for murmurs in the four classical areas. Although modern echocardiography has shown that the classical areas do not exactly correspond to the position of the valves, the murmurs produced by lesions of the various valves are best heard in these classical areas. The mitral area is in the fifth left intercostal space in the mid-clavicular line. The tricuspid area is at the left sternal border, adjacent to the xiphisternum, at the level of the fourth left intercostal space. The aortic area is at the second right intercostal space, just lateral to the sternum. The pulmonary area is at the second left intercostal space, lateral to the sternum. So just a quick review: mitral area, fifth left intercostal space, mid-clavicular line; tricuspid area, fourth left intercostal space, the parasternal line; aortic area, second right intercostal space, the paravertebral line; and pulmonary area, second left intercostal space, the paravertebral line. Okay, so that's the those are the classical auscultatory areas. So after listening to these four classical areas, listen all over the pericardium for murmurs. When a murmur is heard, locate its maximum intensity, its character, and its radiation. So the intensity or loudness of murmur is graded over a scale of 4. So grade 1, grade 2, grade 3, and grade 4. Grade 1, the murmur is heard quietly in an ordinary room. Grade 2, the murmur is moderately loud. Grade 3, the murmur is loud and is also accompanied by a trill. Grade 4, the murmur is audible even without a stethoscope.